Pari had rupees 6,000. She brought 2 books for 62.98 each, 2 packets of chips for rupees 12.98 each, 2 tree saplings, saplings means smaller plants which you get it from the nursery, 2 tree saplings for rupees 300 each. How much money was she left with? First what you do is, take 2 books 62.98 each. So for one book 62.98, for 2 books it will be multiplication. Similarly over here, chips packet 12.98 each. So how many packets? 3. Tree saplings, how many? 4. Means each is 300. So just first find the multiplication. So this is what I have done over here. 62.98 into 2, you get 125.96. Similarly over here, 12.98 into 3, you get 38.94. Then 300 into 4, you get 1200. Now add these 3 numbers. Here you get 125.96, 30.94, it should be 38.94, and this is 1200. So add this, you get 1364.90. Now this is the total cost. How much money did she have? She had 6,000 rupees. So subtract this amount from 6,000, you will get 4635.10. Answer is D.